Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Doctrine of Double Jeopardy. Let's dive right into it. In the Philippines, the doctrine of double jeopardy is a constitutional principle that provides protection to individuals from being prosecuted or punished twice for the same offense. It is enshrined in the Bill of Rights under Section 21 of the 1987 Constitution, which states, "No person shall be twice put in jeopardy of punishment for the same offense." Meaning: the doctrine of double jeopardy, also known as non bis in idem in Latin, ensures that once a person has been either acquitted or convicted of a particular offense, they cannot be subjected to another trial for the same offense, regardless of new evidence that may come to light. The doctrine is based on the principles of fairness, finality, and protection against government abuse. Application: the doctrine of double jeopardy in the Philippines applies when the following conditions are met. 1. Same offense, the subsequent prosecution must be for the same criminal offense or charge as the previous trial. If the charges are different, or if new evidence emerges that reveals a distinct crime, the double jeopardy principle does not bar the subsequent prosecution. 2. Acquittal or conviction, the previous trial must have ended with either an acquittal, not guilty verdict, or a conviction, guilty verdict, by a court of competent jurisdiction. 3. Same defendant, the subsequent prosecution must involve the same defendant who was previously acquitted or convicted. Sample case. Case: John is charged with theft in a regional trial court in the Philippines. After a trial, the court finds him not guilty and acquits him of the charges due to insufficient evidence. Under the doctrine of double jeopardy, the prosecution cannot appeal the acquittal, and John cannot be retried for the same offense of theft. Exceptions: while the doctrine of double jeopardy is a fundamental constitutional right in the Philippines, there are certain recognized exceptions to the principle. 1. Mistrials: if a trial ends in a mistrial due to a hung jury or a procedural error, the double jeopardy principle may not apply, and the defendant can be retried. 2. Consent of the accused: if the accused voluntarily submits to a retrial or consents to being retried for the same offense, the double jeopardy clause may not be invoked as a defense. 3. Reversed conviction on appeal: if a conviction is reversed on appeal due to an error of law or a violation of the accused's constitutional rights, a new trial may be allowed. It's essential to note that the application of the doctrine of double jeopardy may vary depending on the specific circumstances of each case and the legal interpretations by the courts. The protection against double jeopardy is a vital safeguard in ensuring that individuals are not subjected to repeated prosecutions or punishments for the same offense. Preserving the principles of justice and fairness in the Philippine legal system. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.